This is the bedroom, and most of things is now in the place. I moved in Saturday, so all the Sunday I spent time with installing internet, hanging TV, cleaning, and so on and so on. So my furniture is there, here. My furniture is here. A few stuff, is placed, like my little squirrel collection. Last thing in this room is to clean the window and the things there, which is not done yet, but it's close. Next thing is bathroom. So there is a lot of things new, and there is a mess. A lot of things, furniture, my kitchen desk, and books, paintings, and as you can see, a lot of tools and things to finish. So yeah, it's a mess, I warned you. And if you remember my issue, look at those butterflies. They are seeking for water. So what's the change? As you can see, there is a repump station for the black water. Pump is already in there. I have this on the time lapse. As you can see, I have a digger there, so I can finish the grading of this place. And as you can notice, the big pile of the rubbish is now gone. All of this was quite unexpected, so I don't have footage from most of the things. YouTube magic, and it's done. So gravel is in the place, and I just need to wait until they lend me the vibrating hopping thingy, and I can continue. And another update, because yes, I was quite busy in the Sunday with making stuff inside the house and cleaning and so on and so on. So Master Mason continued with the plaster, and there is a new window. There is quite a story about this window. I made 4 of these windows, I think 10 years ago. It was for another project. The project was cancelled, and due to the past few years I used 3 windows on on my old shop, and this one last window just lay in the garage, and I had no use for it. But the time has come, and this window will come in the opening, which will be made maybe in 2 weeks. And when it will be finished, then those beams will go down, and we can make a hole for the window. The same for the door.